This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on computer. First, ensure your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Next, you'll need to purchase or access the game through a digital storefront like Steam or the Microsoft Store. Once acquired, proceed to download and install the game files onto your computer's hard drive. This initial setup is crucial for getting started. After downloading, follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, you can launch Forza Horizon 5 directly from your desktop shortcut or through your chosen game library. For your first launch, take a moment to adjust the graphics settings. You can fine-tune options like resolution and texture quality to balance visual fidelity with smooth frame rates, ensuring an optimal gaming experience. Now, connect your preferred controller, whether it's an Xbox controller, PlayStation controller, or another compatible gamepad. Alternatively, you can use your keyboard and mouse for control. Begin by completing the initial tutorial races and events, which introduce you to the game's mechanics and the vibrant Mexican landscape. After the tutorial, you are free to explore the expansive open world and participate in countless activities. To enhance your experience, dive into customizing your vehicles with new paint jobs, performance upgrades, and unique liveries. You can also personalize your driver avatar with various outfits and accessories. For a social experience, join online sessions to race against friends or other players from around the globe. Don't forget to experiment with different car types and race modes to discover your favorites and master new challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.